Welcome. Today we dive into the world of online surveys and market research, a realm where you can earn cash from the comfort of your home. Picture this. You're lounging on your sofa, sipping on your favorite beverage while earning money. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. The digital age has transformed the way businesses operate. To thrive in this competitive landscape, companies need to understand their customers' needs, preferences, and habits. This is where online surveys and market research come into play. Online surveys are questionnaires that the targeted audience can complete over the internet. These surveys are a cost-effective and efficient way for businesses to gather data. They can be about anything from your shopping habits to your opinion on new products. Market research, on the other hand, is a more in-depth study of consumers' needs and preferences. It involves gathering, analyzing, and interpreting information about a market, about a product or service to be offered for sale in that market, and about the past, present, and potential customers for the product or service. Now, how does this translate into an opportunity for you to earn cash from home? Companies are willing to pay for your time and opinions. Your feedback helps them improve their products and services, and in return, you get rewarded. It's a win-win situation. Anyone can participate in online surveys and market research. The only requirements are a reliable internet connection, a device to access the surveys, and of course, your valuable time and opinions. The potential to earn from online surveys and market research is vast. You won't become a millionaire overnight, but with consistency and a strategic approach, you can make a decent side income. So, ready to turn your free time into earnings? Let's unravel the steps involved. Step 1 in our journey is identifying legitimate survey platforms. Finding the right survey platform is a crucial first step in your quest to earn money from online surveys. The digital world is rife with scams and spurious ventures, and online surveys are no exception. It's essential to ensure that the platform you choose is legitimate, reputable, and has a track record of paying its users. The importance of this step cannot be overstated. Falling victim to a scam not only robs you of your time and effort, but can also put your personal information at risk. So, how do you tell the genuine platforms from the scams? There are a few key things to look out for. First, legitimate platforms will never ask you to pay to join. They earn money from the companies that need the surveys done, so they have no need to charge their users. If a platform asks for payment upfront, that's a red flag. Secondly, a reputable platform will have clear terms and conditions, including how they will use your data. They should also have a clear payout policy detailing how and when you will be paid for completing surveys. Thirdly, check for reviews and feedback from other users. Real-life experiences can give you a good sense of what to expect from the platform. Now let's talk about some platforms that have a good reputation in the online survey industry. These are just a few examples, and it's always a good idea to do your own research to find the best fit for you. Swagbucks is a popular choice. They offer a variety of ways to earn, including surveys, watching videos, and even online shopping. Their reward system is based on points that can be redeemed for gift cards or cash. Another option is inbox dollars. Like Swagbucks, they offer multiple ways to earn, and they pay out in cash rather than points. Vindale Research is another reputable platform. They offer a wide range of surveys, and they pay out in cash, which can be a big draw for many people. Now, let's talk briefly about the sign-up process. Most platforms will ask you to create an account, which usually involves providing an email address and creating a password. Some platforms might also ask you to complete a profile survey to help match you with suitable surveys. This can take a bit of time, but it's worth it to get surveys that are a good fit for you. Remember, it's okay to sign up for multiple platforms. This can increase your chances of getting surveys and therefore earning money. Once you've found your platform, you're ready for the next step. Step 2 is setting up your profile effectively. Now, you may be thinking, why is this so important? Well, in the world of online surveys, your profile is your passport. It's your ticket to a wealth of opportunities, and it's the key to unlocking those opportunities that are most relevant to you. You see, the companies that conduct these surveys are looking for specific demographics. They want to hear from people with particular experiences, lifestyles, and perspectives. They need accurate data to make informed decisions. So, the more accurately and completely you fill out your profile, the more likely you are to receive surveys that align with your interests and experiences. Let's break this down a bit. The first part of setting up your profile is typically basic information: your age, gender, location, and perhaps your occupation. This information helps survey platforms to match you with surveys that are relevant to your demographic. The next part delves a bit deeper. You might be asked about your hobbies, your shopping habits, the technology you use, your health, your travel experiences, and so on. The more detail you provide, the better. It's all about painting a comprehensive picture of who you are, what you do, and what you're interested in. Now, some people might be hesitant to share this kind of information, and that's completely understandable. Privacy is important, but rest assured, reputable survey platforms take your privacy very seriously. They use your information solely to match you with appropriate surveys. They don't sell it, they don't share it, and they keep it secure. So think of your profile as your personal brand. It's your chance to show these companies who you are and what you can offer them in terms of insights and perspectives. It's your chance to stand out from the crowd and get those high-paying surveys. Remember, the more effort you put into your profile, the more you'll get out of it. With a complete profile, you're all set to start taking surveys. Step 3, and the heart of the process, is taking surveys. After setting up your profile on a legitimate survey platform, the real fun begins. The process of receiving and completing surveys varies from platform to platform, but there are some common elements that we can explore. In most cases, you'll start receiving survey invitations in your email inbox. These emails will contain a link that will direct you straight to the survey. The frequency of these invitations can range from a few times a week to several times a day, depending on your profile and the platform's demand for your demographic. Now, onto the surveys themselves. Surveys can range from quick 2-minute questionnaires to comprehensive studies that might take up to 20 minutes to complete. The length of the survey usually corresponds to the amount of compensation you'll receive. Longer surveys typically offer more rewards, but don't be put off by the shorter ones. They can be a quick and easy way to boost your earnings. When taking a survey, it's crucial to pay careful attention to the questions. They are designed to gather specific information, and your honest responses are vital. Remember, market research relies on accurate data. Inconsistent or dishonest answers can lead to your disqualification from the survey, or, in worst-case scenarios, your account being flagged or suspended. So how do you maintain honesty and consistency in your responses? The answer is simple: be yourself. Answer each question truthfully, based on your own experiences and opinions. Don't try to guess what the researcher wants to hear or tailor your responses to fit a certain profile. Not every survey will be a perfect fit for you, and that's okay. If you encounter a survey that doesn't align with your experiences or interests, it's perfectly acceptable to decline. There will always be another survey that's a better match for your profile. It's also worth noting that you don't have to rush through your surveys. Take your time to read and understand each question before responding. This not only ensures that your answers are thoughtful and accurate, but also improves your chances of completing the survey successfully. Finally, bear in mind that taking surveys is not a race. It's more like a marathon where consistency is key. The more surveys you complete, the more opportunities you'll have to earn. Even if a survey doesn't offer a huge payout, it's still worth doing. Every little bit adds up, and over time, your earnings can accumulate into a substantial amount. In conclusion, taking surveys is an easy and flexible way to earn cash from the comfort of your own home. It requires minimal effort, yet offers numerous opportunities for rewards. The most important thing is to be honest and consistent in your responses. Remember, every completed survey is a step closer to earning more cash. Step 4 is all about reaping the fruits of your efforts, earning and redeeming rewards. In the world of online surveys, the reward system is a simple yet exciting process. As you complete surveys, your earnings gradually accumulate. Most often, these earnings are tracked in your account on the survey platform. Each survey you complete contributes to your earnings, like a small but steady stream that eventually forms a river. Earnings from online surveys can take various forms. The most common form is, of course, cash. Who doesn't like a bit of extra income flowing in? Depending on the platform, you might receive your cash rewards via PayPal or direct deposit to your bank account. But cash isn't the only reward you can earn. Many survey platforms offer gift cards as a form of payout. These gift cards can be for a wide variety of retailers, from popular online marketplaces like Amazon to your local grocery store. So whether it's a new book or your weekly shopping, your survey rewards can come in handy. In some cases, you might also earn points that can be exchanged for merchandise or entries into sweepstakes for larger prizes. These rewards might not be as straightforward as cash or gift cards, but they provide a fun alternative and the potential for a big win. Now let's talk about redeeming these rewards. The process is usually straightforward, but it can vary depending on your chosen platform. Typically, once you've earned a certain amount, you can request a payout. This threshold varies from platform to platform, so it's important to check the specifics. Some platforms might require you to accumulate $20 before you can cash out, while others might allow you to redeem your rewards with as little as $5 in your account. Once you've reached the threshold and requested a payout, the platform will process your request. This can take anywhere from a few hours to a few days, again, depending on the platform. Once processed, your rewards will be sent to you in the form that you've selected, be it cash, gift card, or other forms of rewards. Remember, patience is key in this process. Earning from online surveys is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a way to supplement your income or earn a few extra perks. The trick is to be consistent and take as many surveys as you can. Over time, these small earnings will add up, and you'll find that your efforts have indeed borne fruit. Now that you know how to earn and redeem, let's discuss a few tips to maximize your earnings. Our final step takes us through some strategies to maximize your earnings from online surveys. Now you've got the basics down. You know where to find legitimate survey platforms, how to set up your profile, take surveys and redeem rewards. But you're here because you want to take it to the next level. You want to make your time spent on surveys more profitable. So let's dive into it. The first strategy is simple: diversify. Don't rely on just one platform. Sign up for multiple survey sites. This increases your chances of receiving a constant stream of surveys. Remember, more surveys mean more earnings, but do keep in mind only sign up for legitimate and reliable platforms. Our second strategy is about timing. Be timely in taking surveys. Most surveys have a participant limit, and once they reach that, they close. So it's a first-come, first-served situation. The sooner you complete a survey after it's posted, the better your chances of securing that opportunity. Enable notifications on your devices so you're alerted as soon as a new survey is available. Next, pay attention to the details. Some surveys offer higher rewards than others. Prioritize these high-paying surveys to maximize your earnings, but be careful not to ignore the smaller ones. They may take less time and could add up to a significant amount over time. Another strategy is to take advantage of referral programs. Many survey platforms offer incentives when you refer others to their site. It could be a one-time bonus or a percentage of your referred friends' earnings. This is a great way to boost your income without taking more surveys. And finally, be honest and consistent in your responses. Survey platforms value quality responses and may reward consistent and reliable users with more survey opportunities. So resist the temptation to rush through surveys or to provide inaccurate responses just to complete them faster. Remember, patience is key. Earning from surveys is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, effort, and consistency. But with these strategies, you can certainly increase your earnings and make the most out of your time. To summarize, diversify your platforms, be timely, prioritize high-paying surveys, but don't ignore the small ones. Take advantage of referral programs and provide honest, consistent responses. With these strategies under your belt, you're well on your way to making the most of online surveys. Let's quickly recap the journey we've taken today. We've navigated the world of online surveys and market research, shedding light on how these platforms can provide an exciting opportunity to earn cash from the comfort of your home. We started by discussing the importance of finding legitimate survey platforms. Remember, not all that glitters is gold. It's crucial to do your due diligence and find platforms that are reputable and trustworthy. Next, we delved into the process of setting up your profile. This step is more than just filling out forms. It's about presenting yourself in a way that makes you an attractive candidate for surveys. Honesty is key here. Provide accurate information about your demographics, interests, and lifestyle to make sure you get surveys that are relevant to you. Then we moved on to the heart of the matter, taking surveys. Here, consistency and dedication are crucial. The more surveys you take, the more you stand to earn. Remember to read each question carefully and answer honestly. Your opinions are valuable and they can shape the future of products and services. Our journey then took us to the exciting part, earning and redeeming rewards. We discussed different types of rewards you can earn, from cash and gift cards to discounts and freebies. We highlighted the importance of understanding each platform's redemption process to ensure you get your rewards smoothly. Finally, we shared some tips and strategies to maximize your earnings. From taking surveys during your free time to signing up for multiple platforms, there are several ways to boost your income from online surveys. Remember, online surveys and market research offer a viable way to earn cash from home. So why wait? Start your journey today.